Hello everyone, how are you all? I'm doing anything. That's great to see you all over here, and I'm Nikki Clarno. Yes, Monarch City, I'm to Montreal. So that's nice to see you all for this DevFest 2024. And you who are the first time here for DevFest? We will be all in for these years here your highs. I'm gonna see you all next year as well. So just a quick check-in to scan people in and around you. Just scan the people around you to confirm they are humans. Of course, we are very much for marketing pension. They'll be happy soon. Okay, let's get started with my presentation. So today we are going to talk something more than accuracy, which means we are going to criticize a lot about AI. Of course, AI is my area for AI, so I don't try to accuse it with that, right? So introduce myself, I'm nice. Other than that, so I am studying masters with Mira and working as an intern scientist in residence for Certcode.ai as a Gen AI engineer, and I have been looking in AI as well as did around 210 cover design, also 209 tasks across audio, and I'm only developer expert in machine learning. I get from it for Decan AI, Couchumbi innovator, and I'm writing my third book on responsible AI. That's about me. It's very good. A big picking mark of about AINS. And Lord, believe I'm just saying. Yes, it's fine. Just and today I want to make you all to talk. Sorry to the organizers, they need to say but I want all of you to talk here. So to share our views. Do we make it happen? Yes or no? I want to know the energy level is battery very great. What is the energy level? What? That's great. AI is super easy. Right? Whenever I say to the audience, I can see all the reactions. So AI is very like super easy. Do you take it? AI is just super easy. So the AI is taking over like super easy. Right? Yes. So this is what we are talking about for years. So artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning of AI. So I don't want to talk about it much. So let us think about one thing. Today AI is everywhere, right? So they are controlling our job applications to be selected based on the recommendation system. We call it as ADS, up to the loan applications to be accepted, and sometimes even in prisons, the jurisdictions also become some of the AI movies, right? You think how AI models are evaluated? Sometimes they are within our notebook, which means within our laptop, and sometimes they are getting out of our laptop and some real-time applications, right? Do you ever try to question how they all are evaluated? Of course, we call it the one thing that is accuracy, right? Today, I'll talk more beyond accuracy. That's our topic for today. So, to measure models' performance for many of years, we are using these metrics. So, how many of you are new to AI, machine learning, and deep learning? So, this is like a person. So, if you're new to the world, I can just say it's like a tester. So, as a developer, you always are tested with you, right? So, here for the audience, we have some of the testing metrics, right? We call it in developer, but in terms of the testing metrics, each or more. They say how well a quality is performed. Test. Like for the backend performance, you want close it 100, right? But for error, close 1. Information, right? So, this is what I do in weekends. We play with casual competitions. But this is the real I want to share it. This week we were playing a casual competition with Bahama and Bowen. So we were very good at it though. But the problem is this is a model. Right? We had a very good performance, 80% ticket. We are doing a really good. But do you see the problem here? Any problem? See here, the performance for the second class precision, this is a catch-up 2%. Okay? So, for the second class, we are doing classification, right? For the second loop, it is not good, right? For even we stand very good, we don't cost, right? That's some intelligent brain. in competitions of in our course, but I feel like the second group is very much nice. You have accepted or not? Do I recur it in real world? Might it affect the second group when I classify something? Yes or no? But still, the performance is good as I would have been before. Right? So this is the issue today we are going to talk about. Are you all interested? I can understand the organizer saying you are there, stopping your last 5 minutes to say you're interested in Paris, sorry. Yes. So, isn't okay. Let us talk about the term AI bias. So when I say AI bias, what does it do? Let's use the term. The coin AI is fixing its own crown to responsibly all the bias and criticism to rate that's contribute AI. So I want to say this term, this is the name of Pinton book as well. It's good to share. So this is one of the article last in 2017 that made me to understand. I was thinking I was building super cool stuff, I was doing something in AI because we happy got it. But every time our parents constantly wanting, right? Are you being nice to everyone? When their parents ask this question, are you being nice to others? No? It's because your parents are Gen Z. So this is the thing that is every time when you see face recognition system, there was one of the AI that it is built. This is an inclusive database set per ID. It has 1 million faces of all the diverse people, with Asian skin tone, American skin tone, black skin tone, every skin tone. That is the first thing that talk about the diversity in machine learning, right? That is the first thing. And let us talk about the bias in based in machine learning logic system. So, when the AI started to talk a lot, there are a lot of backtalks going on about the bias about AI. You all agree with it or not?
Yeah.
How will I have a theory that my chat is using the same chat GTK, some of the technology is the same chat GTK, but very now pretend, right? But it is said the model is a of making that's it. So, let us understand this context. So, I am saying the model is bringing bias, right, into real world. Do you have any cases at what step the bias is revealing? Bias is something that is relevant to the problem you are facing. This is not inclusive for everyone. Am I any guess?
Data.
Data PRT. Any other guesses? Whole. The whole is right. Can you do a plus 2%? Can you come much? I'm a little bit outside. Yes, thank you for that. So the honest answer is on EduSketch, right? Again, wonder this image is on Google. Yes, I'm using all the images in Google Country. The reason is when you use AI to generate images, they are consuming a lot of power and resources, which means natural resources. Put it on regularly. So I'm not using any AI generated images in either, right? But I asked ChatGPT this morning how his Becker it showed me like sorry, I'm not picking A or Rafi we are expecting not for a yacht minus 40 I expected. Right? But it's like hard to pity. So the model is spin. That is thing that I first discussed. When you've done some of the since this is regularized the model, it's not working. For particular people, it doesn't mean the code is not working, but for only participants. And next thing is like data preparation. So this one what I want to say to you all here is like, so while preparing the data, there is a bias in the data which is already existing. When you go for a loan providing data sets of last year, in US, this is not the custom data set carry. But the problem here is that on the last indicates your bias of providing loans to people based on demographic information. So we are already treating it through the data. So that is the thing. And next one is like feature engineering. You have accept that whether your job is provided you only trace on the zip code in it. You have accepted?
I wish.
I wish. I can say better. But no, it is not a demographic thing for every comment. So this is one of the issues that happened in ADS systems based on Amazon, and they schedule and fix the issue. And next one is model training. Sometimes when you train the model, you don't know how the model is learning. Sometimes they can learn from different models, right? We don't forget. So sometimes the model might assume the person starting Name doctor is in it. Is there any Garo here? I'm sorry, guys. And the next last thing is like model evaluation. Every time they are talking about only the 98% of the book performance in my reader bullying. Maybe 2%. The second year, but my performance in Dupadana talking about the minor classes, right? Which is getting affected. That is their group. So, are we knowing about the past? This is the issue that I want to talk. That is ideally deploying. So, the deployment case where something is based on always on the past is for extra to say. Do you all feel carried to? Based on my presentation? No. I'm saying, right? I feel this is terrible because this is one of the Waymo data, because when Waymo committed their accident, police were trying to investigate the data. This is the data they had. Will they understand anything from that? It took 7 weeks for the police to understand what happened, why Waymo committed the accident, right? So this is the data. Do you all understand this data? So we are talking about one concept that is inclusive tech also here. That means it wants to be whatever we do wants to be integratable to everyone. That is, it means whatever the machine learning model is doing, I want to say why and now. Right? Let's say I'm building on the job reputation system AES, and you to pick a comic to support and asking equity to provide yesterday to AES cricket. They are coming to the same place thinking and everything. She is a boy and she is a boy. So she is a girl, he is a boy, and she is a girl. So they were selected in their explanation and the saying that I'm sorry, it is based on the system of different we get what first did. Then it immediate, right? Because this is someone that talked. You all know about the responsible AI cats? So we'll talk about it as well. So this is the thing that is happening. Everyone loves AI? Yeah. Do you respond to for taking the decisions taken by the model? If it is among your own book or check. If you are accepted? And the most petty question that about to rate the world score. So responsible. Now I am going to talk about responsible. Which means don't ask me have you ever talked about responsible till now. Said your presentation is responsible. Sorry, right? So let me easily explain you what is responsive AI. The thing is you talked about the bias is getting into all the parts of the machine learning model. Am I right? Right? How many biases in the two people so uneasy? Right? So that is how we can talk about responsible AI first of all. Let's say we are building this door. The first thing is design. It should be inclusive for everyone to get in, right? Yes or no? I'm talking about the height, weight, everything. Then only we will call it as a big hall. It can accommodate for 80 people or not. Or else we cannot call it, right? First of all, it is not accommodating the person to come in, right? The design. And the next one is development. And the next one is deploy. We are going to monitor each and everything of machine learning, AI models, or deep learning models, everything to stop the creeping bias inside, right? So, like a bit bias are getting inside a comb. These bias will come, do not to come inside it, this spray, it come inside it, it's a spray. There's like bias dashing and ETA. That is word of responsible AI, right? But when we call it responsible, it always comes with the pain points, right? How many of you are responsible now? Tries to be understanding now. Every day about the between it. So let's talk about it. So for making this responsible AI approachable to everyone, we have set of principles. Because the responsible thing always comes with set of rules, set of principles, they will make you easily understand. As I first said that, the problem with all machine learning models when you see the Waco concept, what is that? We cannot able to understand it, right? How many of you accept it? How do you have to understand the Waco data? I showed you the image. If yes, then let's keep going. Yes, first. And of course, no. The thing is like, you don't make the model interpretable to everyone. Just say why and how. Otherwise, we try, I'm going to answer everyone, right? It's like why and how. So that is what we call it as interpretability. We call it as an explainable AI, right? Or describe it, right? Of that. And next one is pairs. I'm talking about groups, different groups, and I show you, right? So I want to be paired to Viva. Likewise, so to show fairness, there are a lot of researchers for labs, maybe a lot of cool things. In Canada, we have a lot of AI scientists employed over years, even Mokakashinko, right? So, very cool. So, that is how we are talking about the second concept, that is fairness. Likewise, to understand the performance metrics in AI, we have different packages. Like call it as monarchy, infinite something or performance. It's like a package. And a package is like a function used to do it. So that is how in preparedness you have different libraries together. So that is OPEX source. Everyone of you either get right. So we have three libraries. One is AIF, AI Fairness 360, we call it AI Fairness, and next one is like Fair AI, Ganesh the package, and Anvidon package. There are three packages. So instead of packages, we check for fairness, which is like it is favorable to all groups, right? So that is mixed. And the other thing is like I cannot say, for instance, I feel very bad in bathroom, but not here, right? So how many of you accepted? Right? So this is reliable because I'm not reliable when it nominal partition changes. If my model was like that, if I deployed it and I cannot say this is based on copy, like ChatGPT providing system. I cannot say this is this because of the power GP. I'm going to say fuck keep FIOs, fuck I cannot say that. You should be related to it. Every better privacy security. I have not input image randomly from the button because you won't allow me to train it up as let's say. And just doing a area say by action image here and then they are one who will finding your image you for the rekase. Do you accept it? Do you keep log picking? We are sincerely area separate you, right? Because there are price is security. Next one is inclusiveness and other thing that is secure is sustainability. As I said, I'm not using AI to generate these images because they are body art sources, right? For there is a report by Cortis, is like for 50 bullies, we are using 1 liter of product column. I know there is a reverse way about taking physical used in data center for gender concept is that. So we just not use like that is something sustainable. Right? Is that clear up to which I can see Abhimana getting into the next word? Are you all clear? Yes. Next. Yes. Then my next thing told you some is about the like for sending everyone out. Right? So this is the pirate is the web talking about. What are they? I said right? It's like a fairness one. Making inclusive for everyone. So do we call now? I think you guys are figuring out the Wi-Fi. I'm sorry about it. So if you are doing that, I'm just opening the notebook, just scan QRs, I'll just take picture. I'm just going to quickly walk through it. It doesn't take a lot of time, right? Are you all ready? Yes. Yes.
Yes.
I'm gonna silent it here for you. You wanna say yes? Yes.
Yes.
I can finally do one get out. For me, yes. Yes, I'll bring a character. So, the first thing I'm just doing here is like, again, every time you want to build a machine learning model, right? So, when you scan the QR, you can see the exact notebook. Have you ever seen the exact notebook with you? No? Simon is going back.
Yep, okay, reset stop.
Yep. Okay, I will make it as a big slug.
Is the QR code working? Yes. Oh, spiritual thing. Okay, probably because the people are accessing each other and it's good.
Because some people have uploaded LP into the pre-college. I will keep on sorry. So, is it possible for you on poker? Do you feel? So I'm just going to quickly go through it, not line by line. I'm sorry for all the people who don't know machine learning models. It's sorry, if you can talk about it, when you can know the note for you, hide this time in RCB, pinpoint and RCB, so it's not a problem. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm not going to use any other data set. The first thing is I'm talking about responsible AI here. First of all, my data once we copy it, So I'm taking it from, because anyone will go out and cough up here, to cough the do response here, and she did some right here, ready? So this data is copied and it is occurred here in Dossicity, so you can find the copyright data sets, right? So I'm just using a data set. This data set is all about finding the income of the person based on different factors, right? This is the original data set gathered in US by 2019 or 17, I'm not sure. So this is the data set they gathered. So I'm just gonna, what I do is like I'm gonna visualize the data layer, that's what we use, right? Visualizing is it just opening the data set. We use some of the superficial tool, like what we do, that's find us. I don't know why we use this animal here, that we go to that. So, and the next step is like I'm just opening my data set. Hope you are clear is that? I just open my area, right? And the next thing is like, I'm not going to describe function. Describe a function is something like talking about the statistical names of numerical characters. So I'm just going with that. Like every time when you build a model within this. And next thing is checking about null values. I'm checking if there are any null values to what null values in the set, if there are any missing values. And other than that, I'm just seeing the distribution. This distribution helps us to understand how the classes are distributed. First of all, data is distributed. And the next thing I'm doing here is like, and I'm just seeing the distribution of the numerical features like from which to, someone point say A. I'm just using histogram to see what is the big array from set T to 50. Likewise, from this on, visualize here. And the last, this is the visualization on GUI for the ones of pledges to see the distribution of the data, right? First I'm seeing the distribution of the rainbow only and the all numerical factors I sort of did. And this is the most important thing that we want to do when we build the model, that is to check this. Do you know what it is?
Early?
Heat map. This is heat map. Heat map in the sense, for in the sense, I'm here and my father is here. No, can't pick up again. Maybe and I'm my best friend over here. So you can ask good things, you can ask my friend to say about thinking about right? I will you that is it, you know, this as you instances. This is two purpose. Okay. So this is the thing that I'm using as schema. Are you all here?
No.
Yes, thank you for confirmation. So you all seated here. The thing is like you want to check whether the features are correlated, which means I do not have age column and the day of birth column together, right? Maybe info is about deletion mode, right? We don't want 4 related items within my data. There will be chance they can influence my solution, right? Is that move? So that is the reason we are taking for correlation. See here, when the value is 1 and minus 1, it shows that they are correlated. You can see lot of 1 here. It is like a matrix, right? 1, 1. First it checks a correlation between the feature itself. That is, if I am checking A, it is correlated as A. When you see the diagonals, it is correlated as Z set. Right? That's products are same, which means our data don't have any correlated forms. Right? So it is good to build a model. Just do that every time when you build a machine learning model, because we don't want to have some of the correlated person here. And the next thing is like I'm building models. You don't accept when I say this is the best model. So I'm using a loop to loop through, which means a dictionary to move through different models with either parameters to build a model, right? So to find which is the best model, because don't accept it when I say A-sequence is the best model, because they built this sequence tree and they define it. Of course, they are really the best model in this context. So in our context, the best model is gradient boost, not XGBoost. Alright? So I'm just checking the best model. See evaluation results of the best model. So sorry, go back to seeing the best model. I think on the data set it the whole video. So just quickly running it. The performance is like 0.9 to a very good, right? I need the percentage of AUS, which means the separation of data. It is a good performance, right? Do you accept it or not? Yes, I need the value performance. Let's see the class distribution. but it is not equal. Right? First check the distribution of the data, it is not equal. So the first thing I want to do here is like fixing the issue between the z-cap, which means I'm having less samples, right? So I'm trying to fix it to make it equal number of samples or at least say yes something, which means two classes are teachers and worse data, right? So that is the way the CKT model or build a model inclusive editor. For instance, if I build some model in Detroit report, CK was built of class 1 and class C because the class 2 is lagging in data. And this maybe we can do three methods. One is we can collect the data and do it. Another method is something called where we can do synthetic data generation. Today you see not get possible messages mails in the generate cartoon. That is why we attempt to generate a get positive data like occurs. And machine is going to move the data to two methods. One is based on the random method that is more. Not in a sense, it uses the principle of generating the data to only stage 2. And another method is using weights, which means we will assign more weight to the low class cities, the cross less data, so that the model will try to balance, right? Even different methods for balancing the class city, right? So I have looked through three methods just because there's a polynomial options. Like for smart, you use the function posit. Right? For person who are new here, I'm fixing one name. That is class balance. Right? Okay, the class is not balanced. Trying to, let's say, one person like this, person is like this, or the class is like this. I want to make an each situation so that the model can be working for both people. Then they will work good for both people. Or as I can say, I built the model only for this class of people, right? I cannot say that, so that's why I'm just split it up. For being the data up, I have easy to print. So it weights aspects to get the data aspects by synthetically deriving systems. Right? So all this comes with the pain point. Again, we want to visualize the coordination and the validation metrics and you build the data like that. So that is how players spend to generate the data to home these you have issues. So we'll over fix it and running the Serix rotations as well. So see here, this is a smart method to balance the data. Just I'm calling the function smart here. That's it. And I'm just fixing the data. Then you can see the equal number of data points. And the next one is like I'm assigning equal weights, which means that you are assigning weights in the model equally per. Then this way with the very high set is right. So and this unique aspect, right, is at first. And sorry guys for doing passing. Next thing I want to talk about is fairness. So this is how D fixes that issue of that, and the next thing is about fairness. So I'm just using fairness metrics to check whether how it is distributed for various classes. I'm just saying now we are setting a lot of timing, right? So if there are any questions in this, Sankut can come and talk to me because I'm all over at your party here. So you just get to know, just give me, we can discuss about it. Thanks for your time and applause. Feel free to connect me on LinkedIn. You want to ask any questions? Select KI and asking. That's nice meeting you all today. And thank you very much for your time. Hope you all enjoyed it.